Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, let's find it. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to actually take a look at this option bar at the top, and the one in the middle is the timer, so let's tap on it. And after tapping we can set the 3 seconds delay, then 5 seconds delay, 10 seconds delay, and turn it off. So let me set 10 seconds delay, and after setting it, all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, you can also turn this option off just by tapping on it again, and if you can see this crossed out icon, it means that the timer is off and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.